Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm going over this MDF round placemat that I did a long time ago. I've actually double-sided taped it to my spinner so I can spin it around. I think I've already got it wonky. I've run out of the house paint that's recommended for pigments with the bloom, and I've got some other house paint that was untinted. So it was really thick, so I tried tinting it. I tried tinting it with some of the Prism Pour, because I've got some of these by Colour Art. I just put this into it because it was just untinted, and I'm going to kind of do pinky things, pinky reddy things. So I thought, let's just see if this works. It's the it just was untinted paint. It looks very, very thick, so I'm not sure if I should thin it down, but I'm going to try it. I think I've got that on a bit wonky, actually. I'll try and get it on straight. So, put it on my spinnery thing, and I'm going to use my pigments again. Okay, and we'll see how this one goes, see how it goes. Rightio, so still trying to use these pigments up that I've got, and I was determined that I'm not going to start to mix acrylic paints till I've got these pigments used up. So we'll give this a go. So whether it works or not, who knows. This is was the untinted house paint, so I'm going to just spread it all over this piece of art that I don't much fancy anymore. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Silly Gilly. I'm saying that to myself often now, so I must be making a lot of mistakes. Just got to slow myself down. Remember, my art room, my rules, my way. Don't let anybody bully you into doing anything that you don't feel you should be doing. In your art room, at least. Right here, let's get this spread. See, this is this untinted house paint, very, very thick. It's like jelly. So I'm not even sure at all whether it will work whatsoever. But you've got to give it a go. So I may even just add a little bit of water to it. I know you're only supposed to add the water a bit at a time to any paint, you know, and then mix and then add. So I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to be that thick, but yeah, it was sort of just a mucky yellowy colour as untinted paint, but now it's got that Prism paint in it. So we'll give this a go. I'm going to start to layer this with colours that I have left. This was it's like a chameleon-y colour. It's which I might lay the red on the bottom. Let's see how we go. I might actually lay this gold over it. I'm not sure what all the colours were because I have had them mixed for so long and I don't remember. Sorry. sorry Dory. And then they're all sparkling. They're all pigments anyway, and they're all between Colour Art pigments. I've got some Piggies pigments. I've got some Primary Elements, and I think there's some Pearlex in there too. I had a really nice browny pigment in the Pearlex. I'm going to try and find a browny pigment in the Colour Art or the Little Piggies if they have it, because it makes a really lovely earthy colour when you're trying to do something earthy colours instead of the bright colours like these. This is just a translucent sparkly diamondy one. I think this was a Little Piggies one, and then I've got a little bit I'm going to put them all in here. Oh, I know what I never did. I've stuffed it up already. I should have put a big blob of paint there. I should have put a big bed of paint for it to go on, and this is not going to work at all now. You're supposed to lay it on a nice thick layer, and I've completely stuffed it up because it'll just flatten out. Oh my lordy, lordy, lordy. What am I doing? I don't know whether to go on now. Maybe I'll just see if I can pour this around. Oh my goodness, what have I done? That's not, maybe if I blow it over the top, will that work? Ugh. Gosh, I'm silly. I don't think this will work, but maybe I'll try blowing it over the top of the other colours. What they call your cell activator is just, I've just got in this container is my Amsterdam black. I think I've really ruined it, so I don't think this video will be going to the edits. I don't know, let's see. Oh, that is, oh, I'm so cranky with myself. Anyway, let's go, let's just blow it. I'll try and blow it over the top of the thicker paint. I don't think I'm getting the same reaction with this paint, even though it's the same paint brand that you're supposed to use. It was the, like I said, untinted. I'm not getting the same, like I just did one with the proper white and it's got all the lovely lacing effects, but I'm not getting it with this one, and unless it's because I've layered the paint incorrectly. That's really disappointing, but you know, I'll give it a spin and see how we go. Or maybe it should be faster than that. Puppy dog, you are going to get covered in paint again. No, it's not come out anything like the bloom technique. It's really, it must be that paint. I must have to not use the paint for this. I'm just wasting my lovely pigments by doing it, because that obviously didn't work. I don't think that would have worked even if I'd have put my paint down. Oh, I mean, it will still look nice resined, but it's not floating my boat. Let's just see. Now I'm going to just play it. I'm going to just put a blob of paint. I'm going to see what I get out of this. See if I can get anything nice. Let's just go for it. Oh, hardly got any of that left. That is such a beautiful, cinnamon something, and it's lovely red. I don't think I've got any of that green. Let's go through the ones. I think I might get rid of the ones I've got left now. Stuffed it up. I've messed it up, should I say. I've got no more of that. Oh, a little dribble of blue. Does anybody know that you can put like cell activator in the layers or what? I'm not sure. Or it only goes on the top. Pinky winky one. Got that lovely translucenty one. Okay, let's put my cell activator. Try it again. Try it again. If not, that was a big waste of paint. Oh, look at that goldy one. That's so nice. Hey, 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 stop it. Leave her alone. That's the puppy attacking my Rosie. That is gorgeous. I'm going to just leave that for a second to maybe... That's much better. So it must have been the actual bed of paint that needed the big thick bed of paint, because now that's come up. Weird, weird, weird. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at it before I spin all the loveliness off it. See, look at the difference. That was because it had got that thick bed of paint underneath. So my untinted paint does work tinted with that colour art. That's a naughty dog. That's beautiful. So I'm just going to see what it comes out after I've spun it. So we'll go to the next spinny bit, see what mess I can get myself into.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a